stepped into this course, I did not know a single thing about interior vinyl installation or the product. And from the start, they walked you through what Bodaq was, the different films, different opportunities of where you could use it, as well as I also was with someone who had 20 years experience and I didn't have a day of experience. So leaning not only on James, who was the host of the course that walked you through everything, the other people within the course also gave feedback and taught you what the industry is and how collaborative it is as an industry. So learning hands-on is something that's big for me. I've never been a book reader, and this is a perfect course if you're thinking of doing this. I would highly recommend this course by Bodaq Films if you're thinking of getting into architectural vinyl film installation. Whether you're a green or you're an experienced contractor that does this full time, this is a great learning curve. From day 1 to day 3, I've seen a substantial increase of what I can do with this product. You understand how it stretches, how the film works, which films you should suggest for which different products, from kitchens to wall installs and even interior doors. So this product is a great business opportunity for me and my family to bring something new to Central Alberta, and we're looking forward to working hands-on with Bodaq Films. So I highly recommend that you check out Bodaq Films if you're looking for not only the product, but looking to bring this forward in your community and the surrounding areas.